Well, for me, it was I guess it was a perfect timing for me. Earlier, when I was actually working, I really didn't have that much time. But now that I'm actually retired, this is a great opportunity for me to actually see what I can do to supplement any type of retirement income, mainly because of the way that the world is working right now and the unknown. And my wife and I kind of get we want to make sure that we have some type of safety net just in case, and we might as well make something that I've always been passionate about, which is actually music and photography. So hopefully, with this particular program, I mean, there are a lot of different things that I didn't think that we could actually do to make lucrative money. But now the question is going to be time. It's the amount of time that you have to invest, and hopefully I'll be healthy enough to be able to invest that time. Again, thank you very much for offering this course to us. I think this is a fantastic, and I'm glad that I did it. Thank you, sir.